Today, we're diving into the battle of AI video generators, InVideo versus Pictory. We'll take the same script and whip up videos on both platforms to see which one reigns supreme. Stick around till the end for our ultimate tip on picking the perfect tool for your needs. First up, let's kick things off with InVideo. Head over to InVideo Studio or grab your free account if you haven't already. Once logged in, hit up the AI text-to-video option on the dashboard. From there, you'll be greeted with a slew of templates to choose from. Pick one that catches your eye, select your aspect ratio, and voila! Now, onto the script. Simply pop it into the text box, leaving some breathing room between sentences for that polished look. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, let the AI whip up a script for you by hitting Ask AI to generate your script. With the script in place, click Create Scenes and let the magic unfold. Now, onto Pictory. After logging in, or signing up if you're new, hit up the script to video option. Just like in video, paste your script into the text box. Here's where the fun begins. Highlight those key phrases or sentences for a little extra oomph. Once done, hit proceed. Back to InVideo. Once the script's in, it's off to the editing page. Scenes will be auto-selected based on your script, but you might need to tweak a few manually. No sweat, just click on the scene, dive into the media library, and swap it out for something better suited. Rinse and repeat for any other scenes needing a tweak. Over on Pictory, scenes are also auto-generated, with a few tweaks needed thanks to those highlighted keywords. Next up, let's crank up the engagement. Hit up the audio tab, slap on some background tunes, and maybe toss in a voiceover to really seal the deal. Premium voices are on offer if you're feeling fancy, but the standard ones work just fine for now. Back to InVideo for a sec, where we're also spoiled for choice with background music. Navigate to the Music tab, pick a mood, and bam, you're in business. As for the voiceover, head to the Editor section, select Voiceover, and take your pick from the options available. We're going with Automated Text-to-Speech for now. Select your voiceover, hit Generate, and you're golden. Now, onto the moment of truth, comparing these two powerhouses. When it comes to ease of use, both InVideo and Pictory are total champs. Input your script, make a few tweaks, and you're good to go. But in terms of speed, Pictory takes the cake. It's a breeze to whip up a video in record time, whereas InVideo requires a tad more manual labor. As for stock footage, both platforms come armed with partnerships galore, so you're covered either way. When it comes to voiceover selection, Pictory inches ahead with its premium offerings. Editing-wise, both tools are a dream to work with, so it's a tie there. Lastly, let's talk cash. Pictory's plans start at $23 per month, while InVideo offers a tempting free plan to get you started. So, if you're after quality, Pictory's your go-to, but if cost-effectiveness is more your jam, InVideo's the winner. In a nutshell, both InVideo and Pictory are stellar choices for video creation. But based on our categories, Pictory steals the spotlight for quality, while InVideo's the reigning champ for budget-conscious creators. For more reviews on InVideo and Pictory, check out our next suggested video. And until next time, happy creating!